Hi friends, good evening. This is Madhu from Money Breeder. Today, once again, I came up with the one interesting company where I wanted to buy a stock. Before going into the discussion, this is the standard disclaimer. I am not a SEBI registered analyst or advisor. So, before taking into any position into any company which I am going to discuss, okay, please do your own research. Okay, coming to the stock, this is the APAR Industry Limited. APAR Industry Limited. Okay, today I will discuss about the price action, technical analysis on this stock as well as fundamentals of the stock. Okay, coming to the technicals, for taking any position, what we need first. Okay, that is the main thing we need to identify. See, for my case, what I will do is I will take the weekly chart with 20 moving average. Okay, 20 exponential moving average I use. Even simple moving average also fine. Okay, this price is trading at above the 20 moving average, which indicates it is bullish. Okay, and the second thing is I look for the pattern. Okay, this is the pattern. Flag, okay, flag pattern, that means the stock was under bullish. Okay, some reasons went into the some consolidation mode. Somebody might be buying in the stock, somebody might be showing interest to buy in the stock. That is where it went for the consolidation for few weeks. Okay, now it is coming out from the consolidation. The expectation will be it may go further upper side. That is the expectation. That is the technical point of view. Okay, most of the time technical analysis will not work. The reason is the data which we are using in this technical analysis is past data. Okay, past data is, and also stock market is collection of lot of traders emotions. Because of that emotions, right, price always moves in the non-linear fashion. Okay, non-linear fashion. That is where what we are trying to do is we are trying to take the non-linear data and we are trying to put into the mathematical functions. Okay, taking the non-linear data, trying to put into the mathematical function and getting some data which is the indicator. Okay, by using this indicator we are trying to find the that means we are taking the non-linear data and trying to make it linear, which is wrong. Okay, that is the reason technical indicators most of the time it fails. Okay, it is having its own disadvantages in this technical indicators. That is the reason most of the time I avoid the technical indicators. What is the non-linear and linear? To be small discussion. Okay, linear means if you take the sunrise, right, morning, every day morning it rises in the east only, again it goes to the west, east, west, east, west, east, west, east, west, it will be in the same zone only always. Okay, this is the linear. Okay, coming to the some study in your education, in your graduation or engineering, you might have studied the sine wave. Okay, sine wave, how it behaves, it goes to the -1 +1 0 0. Okay, +1, the range will be -1, but this is the linear fashion. If anything moves in the linear fashion, but in the stock market, stock price never moves in the linear fashion. It is like a flying mosquito. Okay, if it is one flying mosquito is there, you cannot predict the path of the direction of the flying mosquito. It can go anywhere. This is the reason. Okay, I always says technical indicator, probability of working with technical indicator is very less. Okay, so coming to the price action, as per the technical analysis, what we are thinking is this stock having the trend. Okay, this stock trend is bullish, and also pattern on the weekly chart which is forming the flag pattern. Coming to the daily time frame, this is the double bottom. Okay, if we see the double bottom, right, this is also one bullish pattern which is very interesting. It is trying to break out. Okay, the stock price is break out the previous high, coming for the retest. Once it comes for the retest, it may move up. Okay, so and also if we see, right, if we see here the price for this stock, right, the pattern is W pattern, that is double bottom pattern. Okay, inside the double pattern, right, next bottom is little higher. Okay, that means higher lows it is forming, always it is forming the higher lows. Okay, that indicates that stock having some buying interest, some buying interest as well. Okay, this is what I am interested in the with respect to the technical analysis. Coming to the price action analysis, if we see the price action, right, the stock always, okay, having the declines. Okay, whenever it is having the decline, it is bouncing back. Okay, the bouncing back is not a matter here. What I am interested is the decline. If you see it, the decline never break the previous low. The decline here, the never break the previous low. The decline here, this is the previous low. Okay, the decline here never broke the previous low. Here also decline was there, but never broke the previous low. Similarly, this is the previous high, okay, which is going to act as a support now. I am guessing it may come here. Okay, it may not break low. That is what my expectation I am having in this company. Okay, I may be wrong. Okay, coming to the lower time frame, as per the price action, okay, this is where the previously it breaks out. Okay, most of the time you remember, whenever the stock moves from the very big candle, if you take the what actual move started from here, right, the gap up, it started from here. If we see from here to here, always any bullish stock after the pause, right, it will not come down more than 50%. Okay, if the real momentum is there in the stock, means it will not come more than 15%. Here also I am expecting, if the stock comes here in this range, it is the best buy for us to buy. And also here, this is the previous high which is going to act as a resistance, as well as this is the one more previous low. Okay, here one zone formed. Okay, this is going to be the demand zone. As per the price action, this zone is going to be the demand zone. That means above 1400 is very good price for buying into this company. Okay, these are the price action analysis as well as the technical analysis. Okay, coming to the fundamental analysis, before going into the fundamentals, okay, we are having one Telegram channel and one website. Okay, this website will give the all the bullish stocks, whatever the breakout stocks ready to break out, this will display on the live market. Please use this website in case if you wanted to look for the bullish breakout stocks. Okay, recently Gravel, right, we got this company 2 months ago in our system. Based on that our system, right, I always does, whenever here comes I will add little more. Next time breakout, right, once again it comes here, I will add more. Okay, if we see, right, few days ago this company came into my system. Okay, this is the live system, live market. I took the entry at average price is 77. Maybe I have taken in the lowest. Now I am profit of 28%. Okay, all these are the my stocks. Everything I took based on my system only. Okay, whenever it appears in my system, I will add more. Okay, that means a stock declines, again it goes, right, breaks out. Okay, that breakout time it will display in my website, where I will look into it and I will add more. Okay, last time when it came, right, second time I gave I mentioned in one of my Telegram channel. Okay, this is the I am having the Telegram channel, the Money Breder, where I mentioned people have taken the gravel. Okay, these are the returns they shared with me. And also last video I mentioned about the best agro. Now we are running with the 13% returns. 13% returns, that also came from our system only. Okay, And also we are having one more group, the TME question and answers group, where the people, right, they will ask the questions and we will try to explain what is the, as per our knowledge, whatever the questions they ask, we will try to provide our best solutions. Okay, please utilize in case you need any help from us. Try to join in our Telegram channel, be part of our YouTube channel, and also be part of your healthy discussions we are having here always. Okay, coming to the fundamental analysis, this is the APAR industries. Okay, see, ROCE having 26%. That means the return on capital employed. For example, you are using the 1.5 lakh for the straddle. Okay, how much you are earning? So total capital deployment, how much you deployed the capital and how much you are earning. That means 26% of the returns they are getting from the whatever the capital they are trying to utilize. Okay, and also ROC. Okay, ROE tells return on equity. Okay, total net income, whatever the net income comes divided by, okay, total number of the shares. Okay, per share how much they are getting, that tells the ROC. Most of the time I prefer ROCE above 15, ROE above 15. Promoter holding also good. Debt is very minimal. Okay, this is the hardware kind of company where they makes the electric cables, telecom wires, all these things. Who is the customers for this company is, okay, if we see the customers of this company, fastest growing companies. Okay, where is the whatever the fastest growing companies? Jio. Okay, customer BSNL just now they upgraded to the 4G network. Now if they wanted to upgrade this 4G network to entire India, they have to go for the different kind of cabling. As of now, all the companies they are doing underground cabling. Okay, BSNL is the biggest customer, and the government of India also trying to provide some capital infusion for this company. So this is the biggest customer for this one. Maybe this company also will get benefited from that. Reliance Jio is the biggest customer, and other thing is other interesting things is these guys are leaders in the transformer oils. Okay, specialty oils. Okay, which are used in the transformers. Okay, the electric vehicles. And also the cables inside, some grease, lubricants, these kind of materials, they are leaders to prepare in this. This is also one interesting point. And also they are manufacturers of the electric cables. Nowadays in India, all the infrastructure, as part of infrastructure development, right, underground electric cables are coming. So entire infrastructure changing from the poles to underground. Maybe from that also some share these guys also will get, because already the government companies part of it, they may get the contract for that as well. That is the business point of view I am thinking in this company. Coming to the all these things are you can self-explanatory. You can go through all these things. I am interested in only in the shareholding pattern. If the promoter is increasing, means he is very interested in the business. Okay, that is where he is trying to show off more interest on this company. And also FIIs are increasing the stake. DAS, they are some profit booking. This is very quite common. Okay, because of that profit booking, right? This is the profit booking. If we go here, okay, this is the profit booking we are seeing. Maybe DAS might have exited from this company. Same level of buying is happening from the FIIs and DAS, FIIs and promoter. Okay, that is also not much from the threat from the DAS. Okay, very 0.5% around they decreased it. Okay, here these guys also slowly increasing, not that much. So fundamental wise, this stock looking good for me, and also the product line which is very good. Okay, market capitalization also looking good. Debt is very minimal. Okay, for making this kind of equipments and this for creating these things, debt is common in these companies. This is very minimal, 0.5 debt to equity 0.5 means it is fine. Okay, whatever the they are earning, they have to pay interest for 19 paisa. Every 1 rupee they have to pay interest for 19 paisa. If it is more, right, that means more amount they have to pay for the interest. Okay, whatever the returns they are generating, they are paying for the interest. That means, okay, that is not good for the company as well as shareholders. We won't get the dividends. They will not have the much cash flows to handle the critical situations whenever the business is downfall, or business sometimes corona time, all this kind of periods, right, some hard timings will be there. Such kind of timings very hard for them to sustain if they don't have the proper cash. Okay, that is where I always try to avoid the higher debt companies. Okay, these are the fundamental aspects of this company. Okay, technicals are looking okay. It is trying to break out and retesting. You try to add in this stock. The range will be 1440 in between this 20 to 40 points range. You can keep add this company. It may go up. This is what my expectations I am having. You can also do your own study before taking into this position. Coming to our previous picks, these are the around 13 picks. 13 picks I gave. From 13 we had very bad time for 3 stocks. This is anyway long term. Okay, there is no stop loss for this company. Keep on adding at the support and the breakout levels. And also Reliance also we gave for the long term, but since short term also we tried to trade, we got the stop loss hit. Okay, and also SBI Life, which is disappointing more. Okay, and also this whole sector, the insurance sector, somehow it is lagging. I don't know what is happening. And also if we see only F&O stocks having the issues, because Nifty is falling, market conditions are not good. Rest of the companies are moving. And also the Siemens, right, after we gave, it reached to the 3200, around close to 3200, and it came back around 15%. It came back again. Okay, this Best Agro last video, as I mentioned, this is the 12%. This also Orient Hotels, it went to the up to 85 and came back 84.5 and came back. We never know, all the time it goes up, comes back because of the market uncertainties, all those things. Only the way to protect our capital is keep the stop loss, react as per your study. Okay, that's all from about this APAR Industries. Please do your own research. Okay, before taking into any position. This stock is good. Okay, try to study and to take the entries. Okay, thank you friends.